Today's a big day. Moving all of them outdoors. Just transplanted a lot of them. They started getting some yellowing, but today they're going in the greenhouse. Looking good. Knocked a lot of them down there. This will make it a little harder to get out, but it's going to help keep it warm. Alrighty, good morning guys. It's a Sunday morning. I just came out to the greenhouse here where we let the plants get their first night outside. They just started looking a little unhappy in the grow tent. They were getting so big. That new potting soil didn't drain as well as the first stuff I used. So just figured it was time. It's about 68 degrees in here today. And it's heating up. At nighttime I didn't check the thermostat, but my guess is it got down to probably 45, 46. I hope it didn't shock them. They look alright to me. The sun's going to get this puppy heating up though. Yesterday it was about 75 in here. So we'll get a little water going on, just let them know, you know, they're still being taken care of. And I'll show you a couple of things I've been working on. It's about April 8th or 9th, and I'll show you what's going on at the greenhouse and outside. Good morning, little plants. Got the tomatoes over here, Had a whole bunch of tomatoes, squash and cucumber, watermelon right there. And then here's everything that hasn't been repotted. We got a lot of peppers. We got still some cucumber and watermelon in there. We got some peas, some broccoli, some borage. That's going to be a nice little flower once they pick up there. Have fun out and about. Hey, Fauna. So yeah, plants are doing really good today. It looks like they didn't get much shock at all last night. We'll just give them another dose of water. Let them know they're still being long. These peppers will be getting transplanted here soon. Probably all of these. They're just tearing it up so much that they're going to want to be in a bigger size pot. But I'm not going to do the same potting soil that we did with the others, because we bought some cheap dollar store potting soil and it was not as good as the stuff that the seeds started in, and for some reason it looks like coffee when you water them. So, you know, I'll repot these sooner or later, but this is an update for you guys on the plants. They're out here, they're doing terrific, catching some morning suns. First night, looks like they loved it. Might have got a little nippy, but they loved it. Come on, Lee. grasshoppers. Did you see all of them?
Yeah.
Oh.
One more.
Well, maybe they'll come back by. Beds are doing good. Some of the perennials are popping up now. We got some hostas and some daylilies we planted in this bed just last year. Hopefully they come in a little better. And this bed's all irrigated by the tub. You know, I want to do a little more work to make this this bowl here fills up with water, but I want to have it spread evenly, make like troughs so that it can spread to and feed all the plants. Just got the bathtub cleaned up. Well, I haven't got the porcelain cleaned yet, but we reworked this here, made a wooden shelf here, and then a planting shelf. And if you look back in the videos, we never had it up high back here. But we got new neighbors now, so we brought that up. Maybe they'll come back.
Yeah.
Got the curtain out here, and looks like something was chewing on it during the winter time, trying to keep warm. So we'll see how nice it is. Just put the curtain up, and yeah, it took a little beating last year. I might have to go get a new one, but for now it's okay. It's alright. Something was chewing on it in the shed. Probably this one.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Walk.
You're walking. Hey, dog. Hi. That's a good dog. Is that a good fauna? Yeah, it's a good fauna. Is that a good lila? Just relaxing, enjoying the weather. What do you think the temp is out here, Mal? 60? Greenhouse is easily going on 70. It's hot in there. Filling up some water here. Gonna get after that there bathtub. Alrighty, we're gonna get to cleaning now. This bathtub gets dirtier than most, but my brother-in-law said he's found these magic erasers, the melamine sponges, to be really good, and I use it indoors, and it just eats up the soap scum. So I'm hoping it does the same out here with all this debris and bird stuff. So this is your regular dish soap, not doing much. Let's take the melamine. Unbelievable. Melamine cloth for the win. Alrighty. First clean done, so it's looking a lot better. I think I'm going to keep working on it. I might try to level the tub a little bit more because I got some backfall causing a little bit of pooling right here. So if I level it out better, it'll all go to the drain. But those melamine cloths, I mean, those things are the real deal. And I don't know if you guys saw the new shelf here. That's going to help. We're going to try to grow vining plants up there because it's a really weird setup here where the neighbor's yard is actually like, these fences are 6 feet, so like the neighbor's yard starts right here. So I'm big retaining wall. So we you know, we'll let some greens grow up there. Dr. Bronner's soap sitting over there. So yeah, it's a good first clean. We'll keep working on it. It's 77 in the greenhouse right now, guys. It was 76 a minute ago. The thing just keeps heating up. I gotta get that fan controller installed. It's gonna need to start venting. I mean, 80 degrees, you start pushing a tipping point there. So I just ordered it on Amazon. The thermostat's gonna be in here soon. Going to get some stuff here, guys. Just got a little dusting and some waters over here. We're supposed to have more this week, but kind of put a damper on things for today at least. But let me show you guys something. Just went and picked up this yard of mulch here. We're going to be spreading it here real soon. But that's a wrap for this weekend, guys. Thanks for following along.